For a variety of reasons, calico cats are fascinating animals. To begin with, these cats stand out from other types of cats, thanks to their unusual tricolored markings. Plus, the fact that calico cats' unique tricolor patterns develop entirely by accident is just one of the many reasons that make them so intriguing. This means that breeders cannot breed or develop cats to have the calico pattern. In this video, I will share with you 10 more fascinating facts about calico cats, some of which may surprise you. But, before we get into the furry details, hello and welcome to Animal Digest. If you like this type of content, please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you will be notified when we upload. Now, let's begin. Number 1. The calico cat is not a breed. There is no such thing as a calico cat breed. The term calico refers to the pattern and coloring of the cat's coat. Calico cats are primarily white, with orange and black markings. However, each cat has a different distribution of these colors on its coat, so because of this, no two calico cats are exactly alike. Keep in mind that the calico pattern is rare and fascinating. As we mentioned earlier, it is developed based on pure luck. This is because breeders cannot breed cats for the calico pattern through selective breeding, and we will talk about why next. Number 2. The majority of calico cats are female. All cats have colored genes, and when their genes are combined correctly, the cat can have one of many patterns that are split equally between male and female cats. But this is not the case for calico cats. In fact, almost all calico cats are female, which is entirely due to genetics. This makes calico cats different from other coat patterns, such as tuxedo cats, because they have no dominant gender. The genetic explanation for how calico colors occur, and why only females can have them, is both complicated and fascinating. But to summarize, keep in mind that female cats have 2 X chromosomes, and the gene that controls whether a cat will have orange fur or not is on the X chromosome. On the other hand, males have only 1 X chromosome, but they also have a Y chromosome. And the Y chromosome does not include any genes for coloring, hence, it has no impact on the coat's color. Moreover, 2 X chromosomes are required for a cat to have a calico pattern. Therefore, these patterns are exclusively seen in females. Still, a male cat may sometimes have a calico pattern. This means that the male cat was born with 2 X chromosomes instead of 1, plus the Y chromosome, which is a genetic abnormality, known as Klinefelter syndrome. If this is the case, the male cat will most likely be sterile. This takes us to number 3. Male calico cats are infertile. As we previously mentioned, male calico cats have a genetic disorder called Klinefelter syndrome, which causes them to have 3 chromosomes instead of 2. As a result, male calicos are practically always sterile. So, if you have a male calico cat, he is very unlikely to give you beautiful kittens. You might be wondering how unlikely it is. Well, in reality, approximately 1 male calico cat is likely to be born out of every 3,000. And only approximately 1 male calico in every 10,000 is fertile. As a result, while having a male calico is extremely rare, having a calico father is exceptionally rare. Keep in mind that male calico cats may experience other issues besides infertility. Number 4. Calico cats are often confused with tortoiseshell cats. Like calico cats, tortoiseshell cats are a description of the coat pattern and not the name of a specific breed. The traditional color of a tortoiseshell cat's coat is a mix of dark orange and black, which looks like a brindle pattern. Bear in mind that the genetic makeup of calico cats and tortoiseshell cats is almost exactly the same, making most tortoiseshell cats also females. But there is one big difference between them, which is that calico cats have a white spotting gene that is absent in tortoiseshell cats. So, tortoiseshell cats lack white, and have only 2 color variations, black and orange, or orange and gray in the diluted variant. On the other hand, a calico cat has white, black, and orange. Number 5. There are only 11 cat breed standards, that recognize calico coloring. According to official organizations, 11 cat breed standards permit or recognize calico coloring. And they are the Manx, Turkish Angora, Norwegian Forest Cat, Turkish Van, British Shorthair, Arabian Mau, Japanese Bobtail, Siberian, American Shorthair, Persian, and exotic Shorthair. But, as we've already said, a calico pattern happens just by chance, so none of the 11 breeds are guaranteed to have it. Crossbred calico cats are also possible, but official cat fancier groups or associations don't recognize them. Plus, certain cat breed standards, like the Russian Blue, only permit solid colors, and certain cat breed standards, like the Siamese and Ragdoll cats, only recognize color point patterns. Number 6. It is believed that calico cats originated in Egypt. It has been decided that because calico is a color and not a breed, it is hard for cat historians to find out where they came from. However, research into calico cats' ancestry has given us more information about their past. Evidence points to Egypt as the place where cats with this color initially appeared. This was found by a cat historian who was looking into how domestic cats moved from northern Africa to Europe. He found out that the mutant orange gene that calico cats have probably came from Egypt and was then carried by the cats on ships to ports in Italy, Greece, and Spain. After which, calico cats began to spread over Europe, followed by North America and Asia. But no one has been able to prove this theory, so we don't know if they are really from Egypt. However, whether the theory is correct or not, calico cats have been around for thousands of years. This is because they can be seen in several Japanese paintings from the 1800s. Also, the famous French painter Jean-Baptiste Simeon Chardin used calico cats in his artwork during the 1700s. Number 7. Calico cats are dubbed good luck cats. The black cat is frequently the one that people connect with luck. Some cultures believe black cats bring good luck, while others think they are bad luck. Well, there is no such division when it comes to calico cats, because historically, calico cats have been seen as good luck cats. Given that they are very attractive and cannot be selectively bred, it is not surprising that they are dubbed good luck cats in many parts of the world. In fact, calico cats are often mentioned in myths and legends, and there are many stories about them. For example, according to Japanese fishermen, bringing their colorful calico cats on board would keep ghosts and other scary things away from the crew. Another myth is that many cultures refer to them as money cats because people equate them with financial success. And many Americans also think that owning one of these cats will bring them luck, success, and prosperity in their finances. Plus, according to some Irish folklore, rubbing the tail of a calico cat on warts can heal them. Additionally, a calico cat is known as a Glückskatz or lucky cat in Germany. Number 8. Calico cats are an official state cat. Calico cats are said to bring luck to the state of Maryland. So much so, that on October 1, 2001, they recognized the calico cat as their official state cat. According to the state of Maryland's website, the calico colors blend in perfectly, not only with their official state bird, the Baltimore Oriole, but also with their official state insect, the Baltimore checkerspot butterfly. In fact, Maryland is one of just 4 states with a designated state cat, which is an interesting fact. Here are the other 3 states. The Maine Coon, the ring-tailed cat, and the tabby cat pattern were chosen as the state cats of Maine, Arizona, and Massachusetts, respectively. Number 9. There is a calico cat variation, known as the dilute calico. Dilute calico cats come in a lighter color than the standard calico. It's fair to say that compared to typical calico cats, dilute calicos are not as common. Instead of white, black, and orange, they have more muted colors, which are cream, gray, and gold. And because they don't have any dark coloring, dilute calico cats are also known as light calicos, clouded tigers, or calamanco cats. Number 10. Calico cats were employed in professional positions. We can safely say that at least 2 calico cats have had important positions in the workforce. Tama, a calico cat in Japan, became well known after she stopped a railway station from closing down in western Japan. The station was underutilized, and there were budget concerns, so officials wanted to close it in 2007. So, Tama was hired by the locals to be the station master. In this job, she sat at the ticket gate and greeted and waved to travelers, as she sat quietly, in her custom-made station master's hat and jacket, and her name tag. Tama garnered a lot of local media attention and public interest. But, her presence subsequently gained worldwide fame, which brought in tourists, and helped both the local economy and the railroad industries. In fact, her fame led to a 17% increase in ridership, which kept the railroad from closing. Unfortunately, Tama passed away, and a Shinto-style funeral was held for her at the station. We also know of a second calico cat, named Sweet Tart. In 2018, she won the election for mayor of Omina, a small town in the state of Michigan. All the candidates were animals, and a dog named Diablo Shapiro took the vice mayor role. Throughout her term, Sweet Tart held press conferences and meet-and-greet events. Like Tama, she also made a positive impact on the local economy. Even though it was simply a ceremonial role, it is said that the election campaign brought in approximately $7,000 for Omina's historical society. Are you a pet parent to a calico cat? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.